I was watching you. What'd you do?
I'm trying to... Well, this is too heavy because I had too much toys.
Well, yeah. What do you have all in there?
I have toys, people, and Ninja Turtles. That's all.
What Ninja Turtles do you have?
Orange, purple, blue, red.
What are their names?
Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, Raphael.
Who's your favorite?
Leonardo.
Why is he your favorite?
Because he has swords.
Is he the leader?
Yes.
If he's the leader, what are the other guys?
Then Michelangelo turns out to be Michelangelo follows Leonardo, and Raphael follows Michelangelo, and Donatello follows Raphael.
Oh.
But what's the sound?
I don't know. You got something in your bag.
Well, this is too... I can't get this... I can't get this dipped. Can you help me, Mommy?
Sure. Can you sing me a song?
Okay. How about Hello Friends?
Okay. You got to stand up and do it.
Hello, friends. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Meet your neighbors. Boogie on down. Div on. Bump and turn around.
Good job. Hey, look at this room.
What?
It's kind of messy.
I know. We didn't clean up that time.
Next time? When's next time?
After the jam?
Okay, well, can you go clean some of it now?
No.
You need to put all your shoes back in your cubby hole.
Oh, so that's it. So I know.
You're silly. Oh, you got to do it neat.